Want to get all the details about a particular species? Like to learn more about a plant you've heard about? OregonFlora's plant profile pages bring you all the information we have about the vascular plants of our state. That makes them a comprehensive resource where you can learn about the diversity, the distribution, and the relationships of the almost 4,700 different species, subspecies, and varieties, what we refer to as taxa, of plants. You can access these pages throughout the website. Virtually every instance of a scientific name is a link to its profile page, or you can dig into these pages using plant common names. Let's look at the information found in a profile page. Begin by typing a name in the search box found in the header. You'll notice that a drop-down appears with both common names and scientific names. Click or tap on any name to open its profile page. Here you'll see all of the names, scientific and common, that OregonFlora uses to refer to this particular species. We also indicate whether it's a native or an introduced taxon. The related selection has green up and down arrows that will link you to pages showing the higher and lower taxonomic relationships of this particular plant. Every profile page has a distribution map. Clicking or tapping opens it as an interactive map where, again, you can select on any dot to get all of the details about that particular record. There are written descriptions that give details from different floras, and lots of images for each taxon from both herbarium specimen images and field photos. Selecting any image will open it as a slideshow view, and you can also get all of the details by clicking on the button for that particular record and see the image in a full screen view. Profile pages, then, found throughout the OregonFlora website are a great go-to resource for you to learn all that we know about a plant.